Welcome to this week's Tech Tip Tuesday. Have you ever found yourself giving step-by-step instructions and have to keep repeating yourself? Or maybe you even work with somebody on campus who isn't as tech-savvy as you are? If you find yourself in either of those situations, Scribe is a great tool that allows you to create step-by-step instructions with screenshots in order to give those directions that allow others to use them so you don't have to keep repeating yourself. So come on with me and let me show you how it works out. So if we go to scribehow.com, or you can type Scribe into the toolbar, you will be able to go to Scribe, which is a free tool that records screen clicks and turns them into a clear visual guide for you, so you don't have to write out long emails that have confusing steps. Scribe will take care of all of that for you. Now, one of the things that I've been having issues with in my classroom and parents is that kids at home aren't able to log into their Google Classroom account without needing a code. They're already in my Google Classroom, they just cannot exit out of one Google account and log in with the other. So I thought, hey, what a great idea to use Scribe to help me give those step-by-step instructions to parents for how they need to log out of the other account in order to log into their student's account. I'm going to be using my daughter's school email in order to show you how to do that. So once you're here on the Scribe homepage, which by the way, go ahead and pin it to your toolbar because you will use this a lot, I promise. Click on New, and then I'm just going to capture a Scribe, and I'm going to go to Google account. You can start it on any tab you want. If you're giving directions on how to work Mathagon for math manipulatives, you would go to that tab. But for me specifically today, I'm going to be giving directions on how to log into a Google account. So I'm going to click on this. And you'll notice over here, it automatically started navigate to a Google account page. Okay. And then you're going to click on the picture. So I click on that next, and then it's going to pop up number 2. Click the link, and it shows you in the color right there what you need to click on. When you're done with giving your directions, complete that capture. And then you can come over here, and this is where we will delete anything we don't like. So as you can see, it just completely went through here. This one, I want to get that out. I don't need that. So I'm going to delete that out. It's recording everything for you as you go. And then once you're done, you can copy and share it. We're done editing, so we're going to click done. And then that's it. You're finished, guys. You can share it with anybody that you need to through the share button. You can copy it and post it, embed it, export it, whatever you need to do. And that's it. Now you don't have to spend all your time giving step-by-step instructions. You can just make it a quick video and get rid of all that extra work. Give it a try. Let me know what you think, and we'll see you back here next week for another Tech Tip Tuesday.